welcome back to Crafter's Rock. I finally found my tripod. But it was in my brother's bedroom. I don't know why. Even though I filmed there so much, I never saw it there until like yesterday. Which is lucky because today's the day I'm making my cat squishy. But this is not the cat squishy video. This is I'm making this right after this is the cat squishy. Right now I'm going to show you how to make stickers. Yes, stickers. So what you'll need is tape. You need clear tape. So I have clear tape. Scissors, obviously. And parchment paper or wax paper. Oh, and then normal paper as well. And then something to decorate them with. This is the new pencil holders I made. I watched a YouTube video and this is another bit of stuff. So anyway, let's start. So what you'll do, also if you want these stickers, I'm going to put them on my channel website. You can use this to print them, use this tutorial, and then make them. So first, what you're going to do is take a sheet of paper. This one, I'm going to write Clean RAR, because I'm the leader of the RAR thing. Anyway, because I started it. So I'm going to take my special Copic light markers. They're not Copic. They are light Copic markers. Okay, so I'm just going to write RAR and put a crown on it. So I'm going to pause the video and continue it after I draw. Okay, here's my design. So I did a crown and then some spike things, sparkles, and then the RAR. Now I'm going to cut it out. You can cut it out however you want. You can cut it out like leaving a white outline. Or cut it rounded or make it a rectangle. Just cut it out. There it is. Then I'm going to take my parchment paper. But first, I'm going to take my tape. I suggest packing clear tape, but I don't have that, so I'm going to use clear Scotch tape. So you put one on top first, and then put one. Just try to cover the whole thing. There you go. Then you have to roughly see how much that takes up the area, and then put tape down where that is. Now I'm going to put the designs of some of these on my website. My website, it's not like a normal website where you can search it up and it'll come. You have to actually look in the link, which is in the description below. So copy, paste it onto your search web on the top part, not the bottom. Because the bottom's not going to take you anywhere. And then you'll find it. Because I'm using Google Sites and they don't allow me to do it like that. So cutting this out. Now you can leave some excess on the side so that it will stick, otherwise it won't stick. There it is, your first sticker. Now here are the other ones I made. Raricorns and RAR Squad. Now you can put these stickers wherever you want. These are good for laptop stickers since they're quite laptop stickers. I don't know if they're expensive because I never got them, but like they're hard to find. That's what I know. So this is great for that kind of thing. So make sure. First, I decided what I'm going to do for 50 subs. You guys in the comment section down below if it's not disabled like the Panda Bun video. Oh yeah, please comment down if you would like fan emailing me, or yeah, if you'd like to do that, because I want to try opening that when I get 50 subs or as soon as possible. Oh, but I need to make sure you guys like that idea. Yeah, so thank you for watching. Make sure to hit the notification bell. And stay tuned for more videos. Watch my videos and make sure we'll get that 50 sub mark.